The official posters of Spider-Man Brand New Day is here, and mas nakaka-excite talaga siya. The plot of Spider-Man Brand New Day is, 4 years have passed. I mean, this is after No Way Home, and Peter Parker, also known as Spider-Man, decided to erase himself sa memories ng kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. In this movie, he's already living in New York alone, and he is now an adult. And if you remember the trailer, di ba sinabi niya na sometimes Spider-Man has to do the right thing even if it will break Peter Parker's heart. We need answers. We need answers. Paano mag-reconnect si MJ tsaka si Peter Parker? Then, what are the challenges? The challenges na ma-experience naman ni Peter Parker as Spider-Man this time because now he's an adult. Has he matured enough? Diba? Ang daming questions. Again, we need answers and we're just really, really excited. But I guess we have to wait for July 29 to know all of the answers and ano pa yung gusto nating makita with this movie. Again, Spider-Man Brand New Day is coming in Philippine cinemas this July. Are you excited? Let us know in the comments.